everybody, how are we doing? My name is Bob and I'm with Novatto, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of our unique copper vessel sinks that we carry for the bath. This is the Bilboa, as we call it, and what we have here on the left is the natural finish. That model number is TCV-003NA. On the right, we have the TCV-003AN, and that stands for the antique. So I'm going to dive into it a little bit and let you know what some similarities are and what to expect kind of when you open up that box. So let's dive into it. We have the natural finish here. As you can tell, it's a little dramatic. It's got some unique things going on. You have some darker spotting going on, you have some lighter spotting going on, and that's just the characteristic of our natural finish. It gives you a lot of character, and depending on the countertop, I mean, it can really make a very bold statement. It's even that way, of course, on the outside, and it's very unique that way. If you needed two of these, that's not gonna be a problem because they are very similar. They're not gonna be identical, but they will be similar. So getting two of these for a master bath or something like that is not a problem. This series is gonna measure 18 inches left to right, and then 14 inches front to back, and 5.5 inches tall. So it's one of our most popular shapes that we carry, and it's a great, great fit for any bath. All of our copper vessel sinks are handmade in Mexico as well, and you can really appreciate that on the antique finish here. And so you really get some unique character going on with the hammering, because they're not like a machine press sink that looks identical for everyone. You actually get a little bit of character and just some differences in the hammering here, but that's what makes them so unique and really makes each one of these one of a kind for your project. So along with that, this series is 14 gauge as well. Very, very thick, about 3/16 of an inch thick. So it's not something that you can easily bend or damage in any way. These are very, very solid. So after you're done looking at them and enjoying them in the box, take them out when you're ready for installation. You're gonna need a 1.5 inch hole for your countertop. Then you're also gonna need a strainer drain as well. This is our 19-hole grid strainer drain, and this will simply fit in nice and flush to the 1.5 inch drain hole here. There you go. Nice and flush there. Our strainer drains don't have an overflow. As you can probably tell, these sinks don't either. So that's gonna be a great addition for you. The great thing about these copper vessel sinks as well is they don't need a mounting ring either. So they really fit very seamlessly on the countertop. So after you have them installed and you want to take another step for preventative care, get ahead of the curve, we would recommend to wax them as well. There are a couple different waxing compounds out there, and what you'll simply do is just adhere it to the surface. You can do the inside and the outside if you like, and what that's going to do is really help prevent it from getting like water spots, or say it comes into contact with something acidic from the kitchen. Even though these are in the bath, you never know if you get like a lemon, tomato juice, whatever it is on there. Because it is a living finish, it can change depending on its environment, of course. But typically with that, it does heal itself back. You know, after you just let it be. Don't try to scrub it with anything abrasive or bleach or anything like that. Just simply let it be for a few weeks, and it'll actually heal itself back and darken up. So on one side of the coin, you have that property, but then on the other side of the coin, you have a antibacterial property just from the element of copper itself. And so that is a great, great feature for the bathroom, considering that. Like I mentioned, these are really great pieces and kind of a bold statement once you pair it with, excuse me, once you pair it with, say, like an oil rub bronze faucet or something like that. You could either do a vessel faucet, or you could even do a faucet out of the wall. It's gonna be a nice bold statement in your bath. So once you get them installed, send us a few pictures, and if you have any questions prior to that, give us a call. Thanks.